Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a centuries-old healing technique? Introducing the Ultimate Hijama Webinar Course. Are you fascinated by the ancient practice of hijama cupping? Do you want to learn the basics of hijama cupping, uncover its incredible benefits, and discover the perfect timings for this powerful therapy? Well, your search ends here.
मैं हिजामा के बारे में हमेशा से मुतजस्सिस रहा हूं, लेकिन मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि कहां से शुरू करूं। इस वेबिनार कोर्स ने सब कुछ बदल दिया। The knowledge I gained about the basics of hijama cupping was mind-blowing. I'm forever grateful for this incredible opportunity.
Imagine being guided by renowned experts in the field, unraveling the secrets behind hijama cupping from the comfort of your own home. Get ready for a life-changing experience.
In this exclusive webinar course, we'll take you on a journey through the rich history and techniques of hijama cupping. You'll gain a deep understanding of the basics and learn how to apply this ancient healing practice effectively. We'll also explore the countless benefits of hijama cupping. From improved blood circulation to detoxification and stress relief, you'll discover how this therapy can enhance your overall well-being.
But that's not all. You'll also learn about the perfect timings for hijama cupping. Discover the ideal moments to harness its full potential and achieve optimal results.
I've never felt more empowered and confident in my understanding of hijama cupping. This webinar course has truly been a game changer.
Enroll in our webinar course today and get ready to transform your life with hijama cupping. Wait, there's more. For a limited time only, we're offering an exclusive In Just a Price of Burger that includes downloadable resources, Q&A sessions with our experts, and a certificate of completion to showcase your newfound knowledge. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash the power of hijama cupping in your life. Reserve your spot in our groundbreaking webinar course today and embark on a journey towards holistic well-being. For enrollment in Hijama Ultimate Webinar, organized by Help Ummah Skill Development, you have to book your slot by making payment, and for any query contact help.ummah.hs@gmail.com or call 639-213-7779.